everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to open up Frozen electronic book. It comes with this iPad, it looks like an iPad, and we just press one of these buttons on the sides. So we're going to pick Frozen. And we just go from here to here, and after that they just tell the story, and then here.
Queen of Arendelle are keeping a secret. Their elder daughter Elsa has a magical power she can't always control. She can make ice and snow.
When you hear the ding, it usually means that you have to flip the page, which I think, but when we open it up, we will see. So, now let's unbox it. Wow. Look at it, even comes with a book. So, you got to press these buttons. And which book should we pick? There is Best Friends, Troll Trouble, Ice is Nice, Snow and Angels, A Royal Visit, Elsa's Magic, Olaf's Dream, and last but not least, Frozen. Well, this is very perfect for kindergartners when they're still learning to read, and it just reads for you. So how you use this is a royal visit. So for example, you see that a picture of Elsa laughing and Anna smiling. So that's how you know which one you have. After that, you just press the button, and then you see that there's a green star here. See? It's green. And then you find a green star. And the green star is right here.
For months, Elsa and Anna have been planning a royal visit to 3 neighboring kingdoms. Now it's time to go.
So that's how you use it. It's very simple.
Disney Frozen, Olaf's Dream. Most snowmen are found only in wintertime. After all, if you're made of snow and you want to stay that way, an icy winter breeze is your best friend. But Olaf is a different kind of snowman. Olaf dreams about summer. Olaf loves to imagine feeling summer's sun on his face, making sand angels, and chasing warm waves at the beach. One wintry day, Olaf met Anna, and on that day, his summer dreams began to come true. Anna's sister Elsa had fled into the mountains after accidentally freezing her kingdom. Olaf helps the sisters find each other again. Then, Anna was betrayed by Prince Hans. Olaf built a big fire to keep her from freezing. Some people are worth melting for, he said. After summer returned to Arendelle, Queen Elsa wasn't about to let a good friend like Olaf melt away. With a magical wave of her hand, Elsa gave Olaf his very own snow flurry. It follows him wherever he goes, all year long. Now Olaf can enjoy autumn, winter, spring, and summer too. Summer is even better than Olaf dreamed it could be, now that he can share it with his friends.
that's it. And you could even collect more here, see? That's super cool. There's lots to collect. Bye guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!